Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock and other semiconductors as well, that is AMD, SMCI, ARM, Broadcom and Micron. So what do we make out of the price action today on Nvidia? We are seeing some good price action, especially at the level of $106.30, the one that I have been pointing you to even in the morning video that I did. Now, let's start off with some of the structure here first. Overall structure hasn't really changed in the bullish sentiment. However, as we'll go through this video, there is some strength that may continue for coming days on Nvidia, and we'll take a look at all the levels until where that strength I expect may continue, what are the things to watch, right? So just stay with me, all right? Now, so we'll have to go right away to the lower time frame, guys. So let's go to the hourly interval. And here we go. All right, so I talked about how if we can close the day strong above 106.30 cents or 26 cents, guys. Again, I'm not going to be penny to penny perfect here, but the level is precise marked by my indicator. But when I'm talking and putting a line over here, I might misplace it by a few cents while talking about it, right? So with my cursor here, that's what I mean to say. So let's put on my structural indicator again, or easy day and swing trading tool, right? We are back into the cloud. We are above that $106.26, the level that I have been talking about. And let me do one more thing here. Let me do the intraday depth level high on my tool. And we are also above some ongoing levels of resistance, right? So 105 above, most importantly though, 106 area and 29 cents or so is what I wanted to see it above close, and we did that. You can see throughout the day, even hourly candles, we just had a green trend on this, so which means an uptrend, right? So also let's go to the 5 minutes interval first, and you can see we opened up good strong in the bullish structure above the cloud, went up here. I explained this way of trading using this tool in the morning as well, not going to go in that detail, but you can see this is where we changed the structure, broke, came back down to the cloud. And this is where I was doing the video in the morning, right? And I said that, guys, okay, things are really again setting back up at these strong pivot level support, you know, this zone. And I gave you this zone due to these previous pivots as well down here. And this is where when Nvidia came back down, right? Let's go back here. Yeah. And this is where when Nvidia came back down, we were confirming this with the support of the cloud as well. Things started to turn green again. And you can see after that, we went all the way up there. So this is when I did the morning video talking about how this thing can continue up. And then we again, you know, and that's the part of trading intraday. At least you had the red structure here again. Once we lost that, came back again into the cloud, found support, changed the structure again to bullish here, continued up again, right? So this tool helps in understanding where is the bullish structure, where is the downward structure, and where is the cloud, most importantly, which is the directional sentiment as well. So it helps you in identifying where the stop loss could be, where to take the position, where to take the profits out, partial profits or whatever. And if you want to just even do the flow here, flow, you know, it's just like completely tells you full on bullish, full on bearish. Attentive is more like it tells you whether rebound and pullback is up to you, whatever you're comfortable with. So you get my point, right? Like this is a good, strong price action even on intraday today, right? So again, the level to watch tomorrow is very simple. Let's go to the hourly interval right away. And as long as we now stay above tomorrow, $106.30, it's just a bullish play tomorrow. And as if on the hourly interval, we can get also above this cloud, that's a party time, guys. That above the cloud with above $109 is just a continuation to the upside on Nvidia. And what is the target though, right? Until where? At least, guys, this upside, at least for right now, I'm willing to give it 115, not more than that. All right, it's not that I want to say, oh yeah, it's swing bullish now. It may turn swing bullish as if we continue to go higher, but let it get above 115 for more roll over into the long-term swing. Otherwise, at least for near term, these are the possibilities. Above 109, $115 is a possibility. And tomorrow, as long as we stay above 106.29 cents, it's just fine to play to the upside. If we lose 105.13 cents with also 20 hours moving average, that's where the problem is again. All right, so that's Nvidia for tomorrow, guys. Now, and for coming days as well, I mean, right? So let's go to other our, what do we call, semiconductors here. So let's go to AMD. And guys, if you need access to my tools, I don't know if I told you, links are in the description below of this video. All right. Okay, let's go to AMD now. So AMD is showing some strength. It's a good price action. It's coming at that very consolidation level that I talked about in the morning as well with you. So let's go to the hourly interval. Let's talk about what are we seeing for at least day trade or whatnot, right? So seems like we are having a good structure. We are above significant level 136 and 81 cents, closer to the previous pivot resistance point. And as long as, yeah, tomorrow, if we stay above 136 and 84 cents, pull back onto that. As long as we hold that level, it's just an upside play. You can target 141 and 16 cents. So at least near term, upside is possible. I'm not going to say that, oh yes, it's now full on in the uptrend. Not right away. At least, yes, this can turn into an upside for the longer term as well. But at least near term, it's a possibility as long as we don't break below now 136 and 81 cents. So tomorrow, that's the area to watch and an upside. If we lose that, that's a problem. The thing is that this is a good consolidation before where it's still finding some consolidation. So some rebounds are possible, at least like the levels like 145 and 28 cents with 20 days moving average. Again, have a stop loss regardless, but this is the most probability of success price action structure to trade with a stop loss on the other side. SMCI. SMCI, I'm loving it, guys. So, well, when I say I'm loving it, I mean because this is in the morning I talked about 419 and 42 cents level to watch. So let's jump to right away on the 5 minutes interval and let's turn on my tool as well on this. I mean, one of the tools, many tools are already turned on, like the levels and all of that you are seeing, right? So SMCI, when I was talking in the morning as well, we were just full on bullish here, guys, on this, right? So you can see we just green all the way at least up here. And I talked about 419 as the first level potentially we can come to. At least that's the first level to watch. We got very close over here and that's where we showed some slowness after that. But so yes, we got that level, but from here, right? So tomorrow you are watching this 419. Now, as I also talked about in the morning, that the next big move is above 419 if we can get above that, and that may push up to 408 and 78 area. Not saying all the way there, but yes, that's the direction it will start open up to. 419 and 46, or what is the level? Yeah, 46 cents or so, something to watch. We get above it, we get to the upside, all right? That's where the next upside big play is, all right? So that's SMCI. So yeah, that's a possibility now, all right? Let's take a look at ARM. ARM, I have something to show you here because structure actually has turned bullish on this thing. Here you go. The structure that turned bearish over here now has turned bullish. What to do? Well, yeah, it's bullish. So in the morning, I talked about as we can stay above 120 at this point, it can turn into upside. So it's still the thing. Stop loss can be below 120 and it's turning bullish structure. So that's pretty much it with ARM. It's simple. So let's see if we can continue higher up tomorrow. Again, stop loss has to be there, but that's all right. So Broadcom. Broadcom finding support at 200 days moving average. Good rebound. It's just a rebound though, but it's a good close. At least upside can continue intraday. Let's go to the hourly interval. Oh yeah, okay, yes, okay, so that was the level I talked about in the morning, around 140 and 34 cents area. If we stay above it tomorrow, Broadcom can continue to go up. Otherwise, if we lose this again, watch 20 hours moving average, because losing that as well is a problem. Otherwise, no. This thing at least tomorrow can also continue a little bit intraday, at least up. Micron. So daily interval first. Micron is still weak, guys. It's still not able to change any structure. It's still bearish. I would not touch it even with a 10-foot pole now for the upside. And let's go to the hourly interval. So, okay. Yeah, no. Anyways. Yeah, well, I will only touch it bullish above $87.84, and I will only touch it short. Well, either it just continues to reject up from here, right? Technically, the structure is to the downtrend. Yeah, it may only give upside above 87 and 88 cents. If it get above 86 and 58 cents tomorrow, there is some intraday upside can come at least until 87 and 86 cents. But then the next stronger move to the upside will be above 87 and 86 cents. Or if at any of this level you start to see rejection on the lower time frame, Let's go to the 5 minutes interval. If any of these levels you start to see rejections, then no. Yeah, you know, what I'm trying to say is that a little bit just stay away from it, at least to the upside. Right now, I'm not seeing much strength into it. Yeah, just looking at it, like I want to give it a box. Like this is a box that I would want to see it go above first. $87 to $90. Once it gets above this both fully, then only upside. Otherwise, nah, yeah. Because it's still looking very weak, guys. Here you go. This is the box you are watching, okay. Below this, still bearish. Above this, sure, upside is possible. All right, well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care, bye.